At Quadex, we're a bespoke software solution, and we base everything around food manufacturing. So all of the guys that have to have full traceability of where all their products are coming from, is it safe, things like that, they can do that through our software. The main reason for the course was seeing if there was any opportunities, things that we weren't doing, things that we could improve on, especially around growth. My mentor experience was great. She encouraged me to talk to the business director about more of the finance side. I now have a better understanding of the business, and I'm actually proud to have that. And I wouldn't have had it without the mentor. Integrating the course into the working life was actually quite hard to start with. But the good thing is, the more I learned from the course, the more it actually made it easier. We've changed the hierarchy of the business itself. So now, instead of me running a team, I've now got heads of departments. We've done lots of little things from the course, but they're all impacting growth, and they're all impacting the people that I work with from a well-being point of view. Realistically, we don't want to just be a good company, we want to be a great company. And I think this course is actually allowing me to start thinking how we can do that.